So, eating right or eating healthier and all that other stuff is so important process if you're, trying to lose weight. And you know what? It's one of those things where you really can't do it alone. And it needs to be maybe in some cases maybe like you and your friends, or it could be in my case more of a family affair. And to talk more about eating healthy, we have Kendra. What you doing?
Uh, uh, Doing corn. So corn is very good and yummy, especially corn on the cob too. And you just peel this off. But sometimes it's really tricky. Cut it. Get those strings off. Yeah, make sure. But if you can't get strings off, just leave it. And then once you and you can still pick the strings off after it's cooked too.
That's right. Now, is that corn fresh?
Yes, it is corn fresh. Okay. No one even knows how to do this, but.
Well, it looks like I need to step in and help. But there you go. It's a family affair. We're all participating, and it's all good. And it's kind of like a little diet tip. Anyway, check out the link below. I have a special little website I want you to check out. And I think that you're going to find a ton of useful and informative information on there. So make sure after this video you check that link, okay? It's right there on the bottom in the information section. Check it out. And I think you'll be happy and pleased with all the information that you can find on that site. So don't forget, click the link. Check it out.